In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a TikTok sales channel on your Shopify clothing store. If you're aiming to expand your brand's reach, TikTok is an exceptional platform to tap into, offering a huge audience eager to discover and share new fashion trends. Let's dive right into how you can integrate TikTok directly within your Shopify store to drive more sales and grab the attention of potential buyers. To begin, head over to your Shopify admin page. From there, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find the Apps section. Selecting this will take you to a convenient section that helps you manage and enhance your Shopify store with various applications. Here, we'll specifically focus on TikTok. Using the search function, type in TikTok to pull up the application that's perfect for your sales initiative. Once the search results appear, go ahead and select the TikTok Sales Channel app. You'll see an option to install this app. By installing it, you're taking the crucial first step in bringing TikTok's vibrant community directly to your clothing store. It might seem straightforward, but this choice could open a world of opportunities for connecting with a fresh audience. After hitting install, the system will ask you to confirm your decision to integrate TikTok with your Shopify store. This step is standard, as Shopify wants to ensure that you're making deliberate choices about which platforms you're partnering with. Click to confirm, and once this is done, TikTok becomes part of your Shopify ecosystem. Now that TikTok is integrated, the next step is setting up a TikTok business account. This account differs from a typical personal account because it unlocks tools specifically designed for businesses, like analytics and advertising options. If you don't have a TikTok business account yet, it's the perfect time to create one. This account will serve as the bridge between TikTok users and your brand, giving you the insights and power to tailor your marketing approach effectively. To set up your business account, follow the prompts within the TikTok app. The process is user-friendly and intuitive, guiding you through the necessary details like adding your business name, profile picture, and an engaging bio that encapsulates your brand. Take a moment to consider what your business represents and how you want to present it to the TikTok community. And there you have it. With TikTok now seamlessly part of your Shopify store, you're ready to start creating content that resonates with TikTok users and entices them to check out your clothing line. Remember, TikTok is all about creativity and authenticity. So let your brand's personality shine. Whether it's through trendy videos showcasing your latest arrivals, behind-the-scenes peeks at your design process, or styling tips and tricks, engage with the TikTok audience in a way that's both natural and true to your brand. By following these steps, you've successfully geared up to reach new audiences and boost your store's visibility in a fun and dynamic way. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your exciting journey on TikTok.